1, 2, 3, 4. In today's video, we're going way back to 1965. A big hit for the Animals, this one. This is called We Gotta Get Out of This Place, and I do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. Right, now in this song, I'm going to timestamp everything so you can skip to the sections that you're particularly after. We're going to go through the chords, the strum pattern. I'm going to show you how to play the little riff at the beginning that's actually done on the bass, but it might be handy for you. You might quite like to know how to play it on the guitar too. So yes, stick around right the way to the end, and by the end of it you'll be able to play We Gotta Get Out of This Place by the Animals. Go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so let's get straight into it. First off, we've got the riff that, like I said, is traditionally done on the bass, but you might find it quite nice to learn on the guitar. So let's take you through how that's done. We've got which is done by, here we go. So we've got the third finger, third fret of the A string. Then we're going to play the G string open. Then we're going to go back to the third fret of the A string again. So we've got, yeah, and then what we're going to do, take our third finger off and put it on the third fret of the G, then second fret of the G, then open G, and then third fret of the D. Okay, so third fret of the A, open G, then back to third fret A, and then third fret G, second fret G, open G, and then third fret of the D string. So let's go through that again. That's how that should sound. Okay, so that's the intro, the little riff that goes on. That's done on the bass, but that happens a few times before the strumming pattern comes in. So you might want to learn it just to stay accurate to the record. Right, so then what we've got is the strum pattern. Now, this is quite easy, the strum pattern. The record, the drummer, he is going 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, which is a good strum pattern to do. I mean, this, if I'm honest, is the one I prefer to do, but on the record, it's a lot simpler than that. He is only going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like just 4 downstrokes, 4, which is a lot easier, like I said. So what we're going to do, we've got that riff. Like I said, the riff goes boom, dam, dee doo dum, bam, dee boo. In the dirty old part of the city, that bit goes on, and then what happens is that happens a few times. Then we've got, it comes in with this strum pattern. So we've got a bar chord of G, then we've got a B flat, and then we're going to go up to a C. Now, G chord, bar chord. I'm going to put chord diagram on the screen for you so you can pause and follow along. But we've got a G, then a bar chord of B flat, and then a bar chord of C. And that's going to be your lead in. It goes bum, 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 now I feel you're so young and pretty, and one thing I know is true, you'll be dead before your time is due. Right, and that is accurate up to this next point, because he moves up to somewhere different now. So that was section 1 of the verse. So we've got G, B flat, C. Yeah. C, G, B flat, C, 2, 1, da, ba, da, 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 da. Then he goes. which is C. You know C, we've done that one. Then we slide up to the 8th fret, same shape, but up to the 8th fret to get our F. F. And then we're going to go for a C up here on the 8th fret, which is the same shape we did when we played the G, but we're going to play it up on the 8th, which is going to give us a C. So the verse is in two parts. We've got the, and then we've got the, that shape, see? Okay, so that's the next bit, and that's where it stays until it goes into the chorus. So a little recap, let's go through it. So we've got the, it starts, so we've got the riff, then we've got the, my girl, you're so young and pretty, and one thing I know is true, you'll be there before your time is due. Here we go. Like that, yeah, he's been working so hard, stays all the way up to the chorus, yeah, every night, yeah, okay, so we've got that. Now we're going to move into the chorus. Before I go into the chorus, you might notice I was doubling up. Feel free as the mood takes you. It is 4 strokes down, but yeah, double up now and again. Nothing wrong with that. Double up, do what you got to do. Chorus time. Here we go. So we're going to go down to a bar chord of F, which is what we was doing for the G and what we was doing for the C, but we're going to be on the first position now. This is going to be our F. And the strum pattern changes. Okay, so instead of doing the 4 down strokes, we're going to go down, down, up, up, down. Yeah, so down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down. And we're going to go F. We gotta get B flat, C. And then we're going to go, so we've got, we gotta get out of this place. And then we've got, slightly different, F, if it's the last thing we, G, ever do. Then back to the first structure, F, we gotta get B flat up to C. And then, D minor, girl, there's a better life for me. And right, so let's just, before we move on, let's show you how that plays out. So we've got F to start with, 2, 3, 4. We gotta get B flat C, F, G, C, F, B flat C, D minor. Now you'll notice I did, you can do that or you can just go straight, but that is a D minor up there. 5th fret, I'll bring it up to the screen, the camera so you can see. We was up here with our Fs and our Gs. When you get up to the 5th fret to do the D minor, just bring your fingers down just by a string each, and that will give you a D minor chord. Again, I'll whack a picture up on the screen so you can see. So that bit we've got so far. So we've got F, 2, 3, and we gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing, G to C, F, 2, 3, 4, B flat to C, then D minor, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, and now we've got that bit that goes. So what we got there? We got a F on the 8th fret, up to the screen, bam. Then we're going to bring that down to that shape, down to the 6th fret of the 6th fret, yeah, that shape, 6th fret. Then we're going to go up, and that's going to give us our B flat, and then we're going to slide that shape up to the 8th fret, which is going to give us our C. So the chords are F, then slide it down to the 6th position, that gives us an E flat, then we're going to bring that up, that's going to give us our B flat, and then we're going to slide up to a C. So we've got and then we're back to the verse again. You're so young and pretty. Okay, so let's go through that again, the chorus. So F, 2, 3, and we gotta get B flat to C, F, G, C, F, B flat to C, and then D minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we've got this bit that goes. Okay, and then that was back to the verse. Right, let's have a little playthrough and then we'll call that a day. So, playthrough. So let's go through the verse. So we've got, remember what I said, it starts off with that riff. And then we got G, B flat, C. Flat C, G, B flat C. Now we're going up. C, F, C. Yeah. Then we've got the chorus. Here we go. We're going to to the F, F. B flat C, F, G, C, F, B flat C, D minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we've got this bit that goes. Okay, so that was, like I said, that was F, E flat, B flat, C. So the song actually ends. So there we have it. We Got to Get Out of This Place by The Animals. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always good to read all of your comments. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, until next Friday, when I'll have more 60s and 70s song tutorials for you, have a great time, have a great week, look after yourselves, speak to you soon. Take care, bye-bye.